Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Xojimurodova Ziyodaxon. I'm a first year student at the Tashkent State University of Economics, majoring in World Economy and International Economic Relations from Management Faculty and Group MO 3925. And today I want to present you 31 tasks that were given by our teacher Aziz Zikriyoyev, who teaches us the subject academic skills. So the first one will be geographic coordinates. So drawing geographic coordinates of selected country. It's here. My country was Kenya, and here I drew it manually on my notebook. And here, as you can see, geographic location of Kenya is in East Africa, and it's located at 1 degrees to the north and 38 degrees to the east. So it is also divided by equator, and it borders by the Indian Ocean to the southeast, Tanzania to the south, Uganda to the west, South Sudan to the northwest, Ethiopia to the north, and Somalia to the northeast. So, since I have completed it, I'll put plus. Next is world regions, explaining 24 global regions. Here, as you can see, we have 24 regions that are North American countries, Central America, Caribbean states, South America, Arctic, Western Europe, North America, West America, South America, East Asia, Middle East, Central Asia, so Northern Asia, Baltic states, Eastern Europe, Western Europe, Australia and Oceania, Central Asia, Far Asia. So my country was located in East Asia. So we put plus also here. Next is drawing G20 countries map A3 carton paper using 6 criteria. And at the middle of our course, we had it as an independent work, and we drew the map. I drew it myself and colored it and explained it by 6 criteria that were location, area, population, capital, GDP, and GDP per capita. So, and then we uploaded it to our Facebook with giving explanation. So we also put plus here. Problem and statement. Developing research problem based on Nobel Prize perspectives, SDGs, and I have it here. Sustainable development goals, no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, and all 17 of them. So for this, I also put plus. The part that is connected with data, I'll explain in part 2. So now I'm gonna do other requirements here. So for example, gel code. For this, we go online and write gel codes. classification, the first one. Here, as you can see, we have gel classification system and general categories starting with letters like A, B, C, D, and etc. We click, we have our own topics, so I can go with macroeconomics and monetary economics and choose the one that best describes the topic that I've chosen, and it was determinants of economic growth in Kenya. Um, so yes, for this we choose about macroeconomics um, that we'll have in E form and others. So explain it. Then so we were told to open our institutional email to use it for various sites, websites like here, ResearchGate, and my institutional email is here, Xojimurodova at Ziyodaxon. So I've opened it, and I can put plus here too. Registering ORCID researcher ID. We also go online and look for ORCID. Here is my ORCID ID and my password. And here are all the information about me, about my email address, ORCID ID, and etc. So here I also put plus. ResearchGate account is also opened in this way by going online for ResearchGate. And registering here. So I can also put here plus because I've already opened it. ProQuest, reviewing for dissertations. I have already written them here. First dissertation, second, even with graphs. Fourth, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. We also go online and write ProQuest. So we write the topic of ours here. I've already written it in Kenya, the terms of economic growth in Kenya, and we choose dissertations and look for it and search for it. As you can see, we have 3,079 results. It means that amount of dissertations. We click on the one that we are interested in. As you can see, we have all the needed information. Abstract, acknowledgements, introduction, also graphs here that illustrate the economic growth or determinants that affect it. Um, so for this, we have to upload it and then import it to Mendeley reference manager by importing file that we already downloaded here. And after that, we can copy the needed part and paste it to our Word. As you can see, I have already done all 4 dissertations. So I can put plus to this part too. Next is Science Direct. 5 articles downloading. It's done in the same way. We write Science Direct. Also write our topic and search. Here, as you can see, we have 12,178 results, but we need only open access that we can access without any problems or extra fee. So only 3,000 results are left. We choose any of them. And here, as you can see, we have articles that fully covers our topic, which was determinants of economic growth in Kenya. Transfer economics and management. This is one of the determinants of its economic growth, and it's all about Kenya. We also download it and import to Mendeley and copy the needed parts and paste it to Word. So, but since I'm presenting, I decided to transfer it to PowerPoint too. So, I can also put here a plus. And here. So Bookroom is about using AI tools for research and 5 citations. It is also done in the same way. We just go online and write our topic, and results will be also pasted to our presentation here. And all of it is done in APA style. So it's already done. Mendeley, I have already explained it. You have to import our files to Mendeley and then copying it to our presentation. So, elicits. Here we find literature review for 5 citations. So, elicits literature review 5 paper citations is also done by searching it on Google. And writing our topic to here, and we can get the needed information. Literature review, I have already done and pasted all of it to my presentation. So now I can put plus here too. So we have also to do presentation, PowerPoint, and my presentation is here about the economy of Kenya. First, it was learning outcomes. There are 18 of them. Next, acronyms that I had, why this country matters, or why I was given this country, general information about Kenya, the picture that I drew myself and its location from the map. So next, also general information about Kenya, about its area, geographical location. So key stages of development, all historical periods, significant periods, key drivers of Kenyan economy, and the largest sector is service that accounts for 50%. Also, these are agriculture, accounting for 25%, industry for 19. Also, we have here 4 service sectors. So service sector that has significantly increased over this period of time, and it accounts for 50% of Kenyan economy. Then it's agriculture, it's tourism, industry, workforce in Kenya, inflation, transportation and logistics, Kenyan rail map, macroeconomic country outlook. Here, some more information about Kenya. It's about Kenyan exports, growth in global market share. Here, where it exports its goods. Where did it export it also? Here, Kenya is importer, as well as here, from where it had exported goods and imported goods and services. Telecommunication, about cooperation with World Bank, international organizations, lots of them. Free economic zones, here. Special economic zones in Kenya. Digital economy in Kenya. Innovation. Also relations with Uzbekistan. As you can see here, I have some data. In 2022, Kenya exported approximately $15 to $20 million worth of goods to Uzbekistan. The primary export included tea, coffee, and flowers, vegetables. So over the past 5 years, Kenya's exports to Uzbekistan has shown moderate but gradual increasing growth. Next, this is about Uzbekistan exporting to Kenya. So it consisted of approximately from 8 to 12 million worth of goods to Kenya, and main primary exports included fertilizers, chemical products, textiles, and some machinery and industrial equipment. So over the past 5 years, Uzbekistan exports to Kenya have shown gradual growth from a low base. Next, this is education of Kenya, primary, secondary, and higher education. And that's it. So I have already done presentation part. So I can put plus here. Grammarly, this is a site where we have to check whether we have any grammar mistakes of words here for this one. And I have already checked it before submitting. So I have already done it. Screen recording OCM. I am already doing it. Or cam, I meant, and I'm recording using this. So it's already done. Facebook and LinkedIn accounts. As I already mentioned it, I have already had a Facebook account where I uploaded G20 countries and some videos with data, also LinkedIn account. So I put here +2. Here and here. Uploading presentation to ResearchGate is already done. YouTube, it will be done by my teacher. So now I'm advancing my research. Europass CV, I have it here. I've already done it. Mentorship to students. So while learning data, I also invited my classmates from the school who also attended courses of Aziz Zikriyoyev for 2 or 3 of his lectures, but then they asked me to explain it further because they didn't have a time and I mentored them. So these parts will be done in part 2, while I'll be explaining you data commands in a great detail, like by using this word interpretation. That's it. Thank you very much for your attention. And I wish you good luck for studying data.